Hey, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, today we are using these tofuing sun-dried tomato wraps. And I should probably warm it up for just a touch. And we're using our Gardein chicken patty. And that's what those look like. And what we're gonna do is put a little bit of vegan mayo. We're going to also add a little bit of Bragg's vinaigrette, a little Tunch's spicy mustard. I still have some salad mix that I had from the other day, and some guac. I'm just warming up this wrap really quick. It only takes a moment in the frying pan. Just warm it up on one side, flip it over, and then warm it up on the other side. And I'm also going to add a little onion. Okay, so what I'm going to do first actually is cut up my chicken patty. And this is my first time trying it, so I'm going to cut a little piece and give it a little taste. It's good. And then I'm going to actually cut it up into smaller pieces. Oh yeah, that's pretty tasty. That is pretty tasty, my friends. Same way I guess you would cut it up if you wanted to put it on top of a salad. Okay, and here we are with our wrap. It looks more like a little bowl right now. So we're going to go ahead and put our chicken in. Okay, and then I'm going to use my spatula for my vegan mayo, and I'm going to put a little bit of that down. Okay, and then I'm going to drizzle a little of my spicy mustard. Okay. And then, I don't really need that. I'm going to cut up my tomato. I like to slice off the ends, cut it down the middle. And then slice it in half, or actually this is kind of a big Roma tomato, so I'm going to do fourths. This knife isn't very sharp anymore. I need a new set of knives. Okay, and we're going to put that in. And I like to clean as I go. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I clean up my mess. My tomatoes. Tomato juice. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of onion. Have some red onion. I'm just going to put a little bit of red onion in there. Okay. You know what? I think I changed my mind about the guac. I don't think I want it. I think I'm gonna leave that out this time. But I am gonna add the rest of this lettuce. Oh, and I do have some cucumber in there. This is a lettuce, spinach and romaine lettuce and coleslaw that I mixed together. And this is the last of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of that in there. And of course, we always want to put a little salt. Well, not always, but I know some people don't do salt. I'm gonna add a little salt though to my veggies. And I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. As my sister would say, my little sister would say, or whatever like that. Or whatever like that. And I'm gonna add my vinaigrette. Okay. And now it's a little fat. I'm gonna roll it. I needed my fork for something. Push some of this stuff over. I don't even think I'll be able to close this one. We might have to do it like an open face sandwich and eat it like that. So I have my fork. And that's it. I still have a little piece of the chicken patty left. And to drink, I made myself a banana peach. So it's fresh banana, frozen peaches. I also added some of the vegan plant-based protein powder. I also added a little bit of agave syrup, just a little bit, maybe a teaspoonful. And I added a little bit of water. And I also put like a splash. I had another bottle that was pretty empty, so I added a splash of that. So that is what is for dinner tonight. And I still have some smoothie left. It's more like a juice than a smoothie consistency. And that is what's for dinner tonight. I hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later.